This year, I said I was not going to grow anything indoors like I did last year. I started 99% of my garden indoors. So this year I said I wasn't going to start anything indoors. Then I decided I would just set up my grow lights and everything in the garage. I got my heating pad here. And I have 5 of my herbs that I decided to grow in the Planter Herb Garden Challenge 2023. So here you see my holy basil, my Thai basil, my oregano, chives in the back middle, and thyme on the left. So this is my Planter Herb Garden Challenge for 2023. I am planting these, starting my seeds indoors, but inside my garage. I have my grow light and my heating pad. And I will probably pull out 2 more grow lights. And I think I have 2 more heating pads that I would possibly go ahead on and start part of my spring garden up in the garage, because last year toward the end of the seed starting, when it was about time to transplant them outside, that's when I started getting those gnats. So I said I would never grow inside again, but I've been getting a lot of tips on how to combat those gnats. But I think I'm gonna just start it up in the garage. It is a little chilly in here, but with the heating pad and the grow lamps, I think it'll work. And I may cover this shelving unit with some Mylar covering to help with the heat. So once again, I'm so excited about this challenge with Planter Garden TV. His link will be in my description section as well, and hashtag Planter Herb Garden Challenge, but it'll be Planter HGC 2023. Thank you, Planter.